I had no idea that I wanted to be an attorney. I didn't know what a paralegal was before starting this program. You know, you think just from the outside looking in that the law is something that's boring. You know, it's like it's dry. You know, there's not really anything there to have fun with. Couldn't be farther from the truth. The law can be incredibly interesting, and it's a people profession. You know, you deal with people day in and day out. I was a fairly quiet individual when I began here at UC Claremont. I wasn't super extroverted. Part of the process was certainly sort of helping me to break out of my shell, because you have to. There's no way around it. You have to be able to communicate well in order to succeed in any legal setting. I think that's what kind of makes this program stand apart from maybe others. Everything is so hands-on. I'm not so certain how well I would have done in law school had it not been for this program. I worked very briefly as a paralegal. I have the benefit of that in my own practice as an attorney. The professors here, they care. Ultimately, because they care, they're easy to reach out to. Paige, for example, she really helped me through the program with just like figuring things out.
I had just gotten an email from a current student who is working for a former student of mine. I was able to call Tyler Votel and say, Tyler, this is Paige Beadham. Hey, I have an idea. What do you think about teaching in this legal clinic? Having a student who was in your class, progressed to being an attorney, who now wants to give back to the community, that is truly just a reflection of what our profession is. We are a service profession. We want to give back, and we want to make sure that we take the skills that we have learned in the legal profession, are able to help other people with those. And that's what the legal clinic is about.
This will be the first teaching job that I've ever had. You know, if I hadn't taken the risk of just saying, you know what, this opportunity has presented itself to me, I'm going to do it, I wouldn't be sitting here right now. I'm excited to, you know, share my knowledge, my expertise, my experiences. Again, if you are interested in the law, if you're interested in being a paralegal, being an attorney, doing anything in regards to the law, I think that you should take the very small risk and try it out. Give it a try. You won't be disappointed.